Do you want to earn cash for testing apps, playing games, and completing surveys? If you are searching for a lucrative online money making opportunity, you may want to see what I have to offer today. This platform is a very lucrative platform. It's an online platform that rewards users for completing a wide range of tasks, such as taking surveys, testing apps, and opening bank accounts. Yeah, you heard it right. If you're new to my channel, do well to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button below and also hitting the notification icon to be notified whenever I drop videos like this. Yeah, you're gonna make lots of cash. Do that, and it's paying lots of money. So, um, another way to earn with this platform is that by playing games and getting paid for it. So it's so easy. You play games that they are very, very interesting games that you love to play in your free times. Instead of playing games and just playing games without earning money, you can play lots of adventurous games, lots of nice games, yeah, even games you think of. Yeah, you can play them on this platform and earn lots of cash. So you are not just wasting your time playing games, but you are playing games and also earning playing the games. Sharing your opinions through surveys can be a quick way to earn cash. Companies pay for your feedback, and it's a flexible way to make extra cash in your free time. Easy and effective. So simple. Answering questions typically taking less than 30 minutes. From my experience, I found out the process is straightforward and rewarding. Each survey provides a steady reward, with some paying up to $10. You heard that right? I particularly enjoyed the variety of surveys available, which made it easy to find ones that fit my schedule. I've earned consistently through these surveys and highly recommend them for anyone looking to make extra cash in their free time. Please note that this is not a quick rich scheme, but you need to put your effort. You're not just going to just sit down one place and expect the money to come. It's very easy. All these things does not take time. It doesn't take up to 30 minutes. Within 1 to 30 minutes, you are done with your tax and you earn lots of money from it. So anyone want to do that. If you don't watch this to the end, this platform is strictly for those living in the UK and some other countries like United States of America, Germany, France, Canada, Netherlands, Japan, South Korea, Belgium, Sweden, Poland, Australia, Switzerland. So if your country is not mentioned here, you know that you cannot just go and click on the link and get in. No, it's not going to work that way. So you need to watch this video to the end so that you know what to do and so that you can be earning steadily from this platform and not get banned. So do well to watch this video to the end. I'm going to be disclosing what you're going to do. So after you've watched this video to the end, then you can now be free to download apps, earn money by downloading and installing various apps, simply following the instructions for each app, and you start earning cash rewards. And it's an easy and quick way to make some extra cash on the site. So you can also test games, as I've said before, get paid to play games and test new games, provide feedbacks on your gaming experiences, and earn money for your time. It's a fun and engaging way to earn extra cash while enjoying the latest games. So you also complete surveys, as I've said, but note that you need to watch this video to the end so that you will not get banned, because you're not going to enjoy any of these benefits if you don't watch it to the end. So you share your opinions and get rewarded by completing surveys. Your feedback helps companies improve their products and services, and you get paid for your valuable insights. This is the best get paid site on the internet I can say for now.
Okay, so first and foremost, you have to come to your Play Store, your Google Play Store. Then once you come to your Google Play Store, you search for Microsoft Edge. It's a browser. Microsoft Edge. So just type Microsoft Edge. Don't bother about the Google there. I made a mistake to type Google. Microsoft Edge. Edge. This particular one you see here. Yeah, it's showing open and updated on mine. Why? Because I have it on my phone device already. So the first thing you're going to do, yours is going to show install. So the first thing you're going to do is to install the app. So after you've installed your Edge, next thing you have to do is that you need a VPN, a very strong VPN. And if you know a very strong VPN that you can use, you can go ahead and also download it from your Google Play Store. But if you don't know, have an idea of any Google VPN to download, I'm going to drop a Telegram group. Yeah, so you're going to enter a Telegram group, and that's Marcus's Telegram group, where you're going to get guide on these platform. You're going to get, if you have questions, if you need help, you're going to ask on that Telegram group, and Marcus is going to help you out, and it's going to give you a very strong VPN that you can use for free. So if I'm also going to drop the link to the platform on the description panel. Be careful not to make your Google Edge the default browser. It's going to bring up a pop-up, make your Edge the default browser after downloading. Please do not make your Edge the default browser. Yes, so let it not be your default browser, but only whenever you need to open this, go to your Google Edge and enter your details. So the next thing you have to do is to enter the link you are going to pick from the description pin. I'm going to drop in the description, and you put it in, and it's going to open this for you. So the next thing you're going to do is that you click on the start earning, and you enter your email address, and you enter your password. Once that is done, you are going to see, click on start earning now. After you're done with that, click on start earning now. And once it redirects you, yeah, now your account is created. So what you're going to do here is that first answer your questions, pick whether you are male or you're female, you pick it. So if you are female, you pick female, you put your age range, then you click on finish. After loading, it's going to show you a list of games you can download. So you click on the game you want to download, it's going to bring a pop-up. Yeah, so you click on stay in Microsoft Edge, then you click on allow this page to open Google Play. You click on allow, then from there, why mine is showing play is because I have already downloaded the game, but yours is not going to show play, it's going to show install, so you need to install. So see, these are common games that you've seen and you played before, but you are not earning anything from it, but you can earn from it once you're using this platform. All right, so if after you have downloaded the game on your device and you're seeing this, that means the game is not downloaded. You're seeing this on the platform. That means your game is not downloaded properly and it's not going to earn you money. You're going to click on the troubleshoot, and answer these questions. Then normally it's going to ask you, have you allowed the app to track your activity, because the app needs to track your activity before you can earn. But if the app is not tracking your activity, you'll be wasting time playing those games because it's not going to give you money. So what you need to do is that if you said no, it's going to tell you start another trial. But if you clicked yes, you clicked on the allowed, yeah, it's going to tell you, okay, you should wait for the next 10 minutes. And if it doesn't start, if it doesn't track, you should start another. So after 10 minutes, it's going to be downloaded properly. You're going to see that it's downloaded properly, then you can now play it. But if it's still doing the same thing, then you need to go to another game and play and download another game to play. So you're going to see the different games that you can play and download. See different games, very interesting games. You see action games, adventure games, board card, yeah, card games, board games, all those things are included here. Even games like Monopoly are included here. So, so whenever you want to play the game, you make sure you come to my offer. After clicking on my offer, it will load. Then this is what you see. You see the list of games that you have here in your offer. That's the games you can play. So take note. You need to come to my offer first. So you once you see the listing, any listings like this, then you know that the game is downloaded properly. And next thing is for you to click on it and click on the stay in Microsoft Edge. Once you click on the stay in Microsoft Edge, allow Google Play. Once you click on that, you click on play. So for instance, I want to play this Monopoly now, so it will redirect me. Once I'm redirected, I can now play the game and earn. If you look properly on the at the top, you will notice £8.41. And this £8.41 was made in few minutes, less than 20 to 30 minutes of solving this platform. So you can make as much as more than that. And there are different ways you can cash out your money through other means. So in case you want, if you are not in any of those eligible countries, what you are going to use is either PayPal or any other one. But please don't try using your bank account. It's not going to work that way. Don't try using any of your bank accounts because you are going to be detected. All right, so wishing you uh wishing you a nice adventure on this app. If you try this app and it's working for you, drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know how far you are enjoying the app and how much you are making so far. So also note that the minimum withdrawal, it varies, some $16, some $25 at the first instance. That's the minimum for the first instance. After you make the first withdrawal, you can now withdraw any amount after then. So take note. So do well to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Like this video.